This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up QuickBooks Time. First, you will need to sign up for a QuickBooks Time account, which takes just a few minutes. Next, connect it to your existing QuickBooks Online account for seamless data flow. Then, input your company's essential information, like your business name and industry, and adjust general preferences to fit your operational needs. This foundational step ensures your time tracking system is ready for your team. Now, let's get your team on board. You can easily invite your employees to join QuickBooks Time via email, and they will receive a link to set up their profiles. It's crucial to assign appropriate roles and permissions, such as administrator or regular employee, to control access. Finally, define the services, jobs, or customers your company works with, ensuring accurate categorization for all time entries. This prepares your system for detailed tracking. With your team and services defined, it's time to set up tracking. Configure how your employees will track time, whether through a mobile app, web browser, or kiosk. Create specific projects or jobs and assign them to the relevant team members. You can also add custom fields to capture additional details, like mileage or specific tasks, making your time entries more comprehensive and useful for reporting. The final step involves reviewing and utilizing your collected data. Regularly review timesheets for accuracy and approve them for payroll processing. QuickBooks Time allows you to generate detailed reports on employee hours, project profitability, and labor costs, providing valuable insights. Seamlessly integrate with payroll systems to ensure your team is paid accurately and on time, completing the entire time management cycle efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.